Veterinary Hospital.
Menteri Katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary upa hek ula pentip baka Sorkar kan bu ya ka thong ka bahakmat bante ya ka Veterinary Hospital batmai ha Upper Shillong. Habakren Shakilat patai kubor uba hek ula ong bakiladan ar lai teli kijing terwa balap ha syakatanat planning ha kabaya day bat kani kapang. Katanat planning kalabu katu kani kijingkeli bat katanat animal husbandry kapendap ya baro kijingkeli hapo kani kadorbar mang tingka kabadang shidap shen ha kabalak dosai baya ka veterinary hospital kabatmai ante ha Shillong. Ya kani kamat lakren ru ha kadorbar mang tingka kumtang ya haban shim ya kani kam kum kamat kabahakmat ong uba hek. Ha kabaya day bat kakam kai masi bean Menteri ula ong bakilaya tengku iki ar lai teli ki jingja ha Giant Hills pat East Khasi Hills ha kabaki BSF kila kurup no ya kini ki masi bean pat IT no syaki pulin. Watla kata ula ong baki beriu kila le ya kakam kayi bat kumnung in khanglat ya ki. Hoot ngamlen ne kentat ya ka jingshisha Henry kata kasyong ha kinong kayi namar kinong kayi kila le ya kini ki aka baro Day namar kata kadaw bagi pulit pat ki BSF kilong ki bapet ngor halor kakam kayi masi bean ong uba heng.
So that Veterinary Hospital at Upper Shillong has already sent the proposal to, I don't, if I remember correctly, 2-3 proposal already sent through the planning department. So the planning department also they have asked for some queries and all. Again, we have fulfilled all the queries. But this budget session which was held recently, the clearly has mentioned there not only the veterinary hospital but the state-of-art veterinary hospital is coming up at Shillong, in Upper Shillong. Already focus, already appeared, already written in the budget split. It has to be priority. Keep it into the Gaushala and also the shelter area. I had come across 2-3 cases. In Jandahil I had come across. Then in Khasi also we have come across. But that is caught by the BSF. And also they hand over to the police and to the court only they release those seized livestock, whatever, the cattle and buffalo. See, people are also doing business. Whom to stop to people who are doing business? Tell me. They are doing their own business. Of course, I'm not denying that fact. So but that is completely depends on the traders. Traders are doing all those things, but that's why the police and the BSF also they have the vigilance to look after this kind of issue.